know that my voice was gonna be heard, it was like amazing, like somebody's gonna hear my side of the story and hear how I feel about being in a situation where my children are being removed and how I feel, and praising me about my UAs and how I'm doing in my services. And I felt that it was going to help me out with my sobriety, getting to encourage other girls to be a part of these services, because this service is amazing.
Family Treatment Court is a program designed for parents who have dependency cases and also struggle with substance use issues. And the goal of Family Treatment Court is to help the parents be clean and sober and to reunite with their children.
I decided to participate in the program because I ended up relapsing, and I decided that it would be good for our case. And I know that they had a high percentage of reunification rate. So I knew that it would be a good fit for my family and a good chance at me being reunified with my children later on.
I decided to participate in the program for additional support and accountability. I figured it couldn't hurt to have another place to show up to and be accountable to.
Family Treatment Court is vital because it really serves a need for the parents who really need as much encouragement as they can get to be successful and feel like somebody is there to help them with both their substance use and reunifying with their children.
It's not that in the beginning you want it to be as fast as possible, but once you're getting to the finish line, you want the services to never end, because you get to hear new women in the program that you want to help out and you want to reach out to them and tell them not to give up.
Transitioning to online-only hearings was a challenge. A lot of our Family Treatment Court is relationship-based, and so it was difficult to have the same kinds of relationships with the participants that I would normally. But I was very glad that we were able to do it remotely and that we didn't have to give up the program completely.
The commissioner, she went above and beyond. It didn't feel like I was just going into a courtroom, although it was virtual, but it didn't feel like I was just going into a courtroom. It felt like she cared about us and she worked on the inside of us, not just our court case.
We've had parents that we never even met in person, that we only got to see through a camera, that we never got to shake a hand with, we never got to, exchange a hug or, but we still made a difference in their case.
I thought the program was good. I thought it was nice to have that support, and it was nice to be empowered that I wasn't the bad decisions that I had made or the mistakes that I had made, that I was a good mom.
The support I received throughout the program was excellent. There was always somebody to answer a question or go to for additional resources or just anything I could need.
There are a lot of success stories. That is one of the best parts of being in Family Treatment Court. We know that out of the parents that graduate from our program, about 90 to 95% of those parents reunify with their children and don't come back to juvenile court again.
This program does work, and if you just honestly don't give up on doing what you need to do and just working through the program and doing what is asked of you through this program, that it does work. And I'm living proof to that I was reunified with my son.
We thought that parents deserve a second chance. They've made some choices that have meant an open dependency case, but that doesn't mean that they can't be parents to their children. They just need a little bit of help through the process.
I want all the clients and all the new girls to know It's scary, and you know, especially coming from our background, that some of us come from broken homes. We have been discouraged, belittled, getting our kids removed. This program has a lot to offer. They encourage us, they give us the words of wisdom.
So any parents that have a dependency case that have struggled with substance use within the last year can apply to be a part of family treatment court. They would first do an observation of family treatment court and decide if that's something that they wanted to participate in. And then they just sign up and we get started.